In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a split face corner just like this. Start by spreading your mud on your block there. We had a normal 8-inch block underneath the split face to get up to the level where we needed to be. So spreading normal mud, a little heavy because these things are a little heavier. So I went to set this first block on there, had to throw it off. That rebar right there sticking up, beating on it, it was right on part of the web of that block. So getting rid of that mud, and I'm going to have to figure out how to set that block on there where it needs to go. So beat the rebar over, didn't work. I'm still about a 1/2 inch off. So right there I'm marking the web I got to cut out of that split face corner, beating it out. Beating it out. It takes a while because I didn't want to break the block, so I just keep beating and beating and beating until I got that whole core out of there. So I respread that little section for the corner, and it set on there where it was supposed to go. If you can see, I just put that one web right out of there. Spreading them heads, getting ready for that half. And always clean that mud up because it's going to mess your level up, getting it all muddy like that. But first thing is you're going to level over. So I'm leveling across there. Don't have to do too much pounding. Then time to plumb it. So I'm going right on the center of those. And they don't really need much tapping either. Tapping that corner. Leveling across to that one. These are really hard. You can't really plumb them, so you just level them and then plumb the sides. Then you chase down onto the other block. Make sure it's plumb. You can't plumb the split side, only the smooth side. So that's what I'm doing there. Then you straight edge. Make sure everything's running straight. That side's done. Cleaning off some old mud. Now same thing on that side. Making sure it's plumb. Going down there, one side, and the other side. Then you straight edge that, make sure they're all straight. Usually just tap on the level or tap the block into the level. So that's it for that course. Clean off all the mud, don't be messy. And I always fill in that head joint there right on the corner to help seal that up, make it strong. Spreading the mud again. That side's real easy. It's just like spreading normal block, and then the other side you spread it like brick. Throw it on there fat. Smooth it down. Don't want it too high because it'll knock your block out of plumb, but high enough because it's so heavy on that 4-inch side. So before I level, I'm just trying to match those split corners up. It's really hard to get them right. And then back into leveling again. Same thing, you just level the tops. Not real hard, as long as the underneath's plumb. Then plumb each individual block right on the center web, plumb down. Plumb down on that one, it makes it a little easier so I don't have to do so much tapping. Plumbing that inside corner there. Straight edge should be right on because I did all the head joints. Level across again. This is how you plumb them. You don't put it on the other one. Plumb down. One side of the block, the other side of the block, and that side's done. Don't have to chase them together. Cleaning the mud up, and then you just fill in that corner web right there. Slap it in there good.
Be up around 12 inches, you're of course lower.
Now right here I'm checking the height from the other wall that I already built. So we got a little laser,
12.
sits 4 inches up,
Fantastic.
and I just put that tape measure on there. So 12 inches makes it good because the block is 8 inches.
Alright, one more.
And I'm ready for that top course.
Are you serious? Yeah. What do you think?
Little trick here, if your mud's wet enough, you can flick it right onto that outside head joint there. A lot less time than trying to smooth it on there nice.
You hungry? Yeah. Eating grubs.
Every time I go into this corner, I put the head joint on the block before I pick it up to the corner. It's easier to do that than do it on the wall because it'll just make a mess on the one side that's not the outside, and you can't really put the mud where it's supposed to go. And here I'm just adjusting a little bit before I start leveling them out. This is the last course, just level across the top, and then plumb that block by just leveling each side individually. So level the half, nice, then you plumb them right in the center, then block right in the center. So this course is pretty easy, everything's nice and perfect. Double check. Good. You're gonna, I guess I fill in that half right there. It is the top course, you don't want that thing going anywhere. Again, level across, I already set that outside, so just have to do one block. Making it level, plumbing it, double check, plumb down, scrape some mud off.
Tuesday.
And with this, you just got to do that head and that other head, and that's it for that side. Double checking this side.
Yeah, Tuesday we poured the floor.
Inside corner, then your straight edge, and that's it. Make sure you fill in that
Try to do them both.
core right by your corner there. Clean up all your mud, don't be messy. That's how you lay a split face corner. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about my trade, please subscribe, like this video, and watch all my new stuff coming out. Got tons more content coming out.